Sir, it's your boy, man, back with another video this morning, man. Y'all see today, man, it's like 20-something degrees outside. You see I got my OG ENT G-Rider hat on this morning, man. If you a G-Rider, you'll have one of these on, man. If y'all want to know what a G-Rider is, make sure y'all go tap into OG ENT on YouTube and you can find out. But today, man, we got something real nice up. Candy. So I got a Cadillac up today, man. 2013 Cadillac. What is it? A Cadillac XT5 4. Real nice, real nice. So today what we're gonna do with this, man, we are changing the strut on the front, passenger side strut. I did hear in the little clunk when it was driving, man. But let me spin the camera around and let y'all check it out. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Let's get it. Sir, y'all see it, man. Thing beautiful, ain't it? Yeah. Yep. Y'all see, so fresh and so clean. Yes, sir. So it's the strut on this side. You know, we got to take this molding off, which I think I could just pull this up and get to that bolt in there. And that's about it, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. I got to get this thing jacked up, put on the jack stand, and you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. And it do got that direct injection in here, man. It is running. Running. Yes, sir. So look, let me get the jack out. Let me get the jack stand out. Let me get the tire off. And y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it. See it, man. So I got the sway bar off. I got the strutter loose. Upper ball joint loose. I got my little molding off right here, which is all here. You know what I'm saying? So we got one bolt to get off right there, and our strut is going to come down, and we're gonna get to it, man. So y'all stay tuned, man.
3 hours later.
Yes, so man, y'all see what time it is, man. So on this car, everything had to get removed on the for the strut. Whole situation had to get removed, and on both sides, actually on one side, man, had to get all the suspension had to get taken apart. The upper control arm, the lower control arm, the axle had to get removed. Man, it was a lot of work, but we got it taken care of, man. And you know, if I was the customer, I would have changed both struts on the front, but I know the price of them. But I'm gonna spin this camera on, let y'all check out the old one, and everything all back together, man. Make sure y'all book y'all appointment. Let's get it. See the old one, man. A lot of work. You know what I'm saying? A lot of work. Yep. What y'all see is on there. Probably got to let it, looks a little higher on this side. Probably got to let it, you know what I'm saying, drive it a little bit. That's why they say you want to change both sides. You know what I'm saying? It was an aftermarket strut. But make sure y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Let's get it. Sir, so y'all see, this is my first time doing one of these, man. So that little sensor at the bottom, it lowers and raises itself. So now it is even. Y'all see, now it's even all the way around. That's what I'm talking about. Yep. But if this was me in my vehicle, I would have changed both sides. So you see it now, it's even all the way around. Close this trunk down. Yes, sir. Y'all see what time it is, man. Let me call the customer and tell him that his vehicle is ready. Yep.
When God created me, he created his favorites. Say he ain't got favoritism. But nigga, I am the greatest. My thoughts are separated by how others be thinking. My story is inspirational.